Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create camera views and its parameters. Let's begin. Camera views allow us to view what we would see if we were standing at any location in our design. To place a new camera, switch to the View menu and click on 3D View and then select Camera from the drop-down menu. Create a camera is easy and it is a 2 clicks operation. In the drawing area, make the first click to set the position of the camera. This represents where you would be standing in your building. The second click defines the direction and extent of the camera. As soon as you've completed the second click, the new camera view is created and is listed in the project browser under the 3D Views group. If this is the first camera view you are creating in your current project, Revit will name it 3D View 1. If you create a second camera view, Revit will name it 3D View 2 and so on. Double-click on the View 3D View 1 to open it and make it active. In your new view, you see the model is viewed from the camera, in the direction you specified. Now, take a look at its properties in the Properties palette. There are 3 important parameters. Far Clip Active. This checkbox determines whether the view is clipped to a set distance away from the camera. Eye Elevation. This is the eye height of you, viewer. Increase this value if you want your view to be from a higher, more elevated position. Target Elevation. This is the height of the target that you define with your second click. To adjust in plan view the position of either your camera or its target, you need first, select the border around the camera view. It will turn blue and display its circular grips once it is selected. You must leave this selected as you do the next step. With the border of the camera view still selected, go ahead and open the floor plan view in which you first created the camera. You can now make adjustments to the properties of the camera view. In our floor plan view, we can see the position of the camera, the position of the camera's target, and the far clip plane. Remember that the far clip plane is how far the camera can see when generating its perspective view.